Good afternoon, everyone. We have started the chapter of money. Today we will learn here to convert rupees into paise. So today I will show you two types of questions where the topic is to convert rupees into paise, but the question are in two forms. Let us see the first form. See, convert into paise. In short I have written here convert into paise. So we have to convert rupees into paise, whatever is given. See, given rupees 5. So first we have to write down 1 rupee equal to how much. So see, I am writing here 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So whenever I am telling 1 rupee, but while writing I am putting the rupee symbol first and then I am writing number 1. So number 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 5 rupees equal to what? We know the value of 1, so we have to take out the value of 5. So we have to do multiplication. So 5 into 100 paisa. See, don't forget to put the paisa symbol or rupee symbol, otherwise you will not get marks, because it is a chapter of money, so the symbols are must. So 5 into 100 is 500 paise. Okay. So next question, see, it is given 10 rupees. So again, whenever it is given, first you have to take out the value of 1. So we will write here 1 rupee. See, I have given the symbol first and then I have written 1 equal to 100. P means paisa. Small p means paisa. So 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Now I will write 10, the value of 10. So rupee sign and then I am writing 10. So equal to, what I will do? I will do multiply. So now 10 into 100 and small p. Small p denotes paise. So 10 into 100 paise. Now you see, this type of 10 100s are how much? The easy way I am showing you, we will multiply the digits here. 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. And how many zeros are there in total? 3 zeros are there. So I will write here 3 zeros and the answer became 1000. Now if you cannot understand this way, you simply learn that 10 rupees has 1000 paise. Now the conversion again I am repeating. When it is 2 digits, see, 10 into 100, whenever it is multiplication of by 0, we always count the zeros and multiply the digits. So here I am multiplying the digits, that is 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1 and I am counting the zeros. There are 3 zeros in total. 1, 2 and 3. So here 3 zeros I am writing. So it is becoming 1000. So 10 rupees equal to 1000 paise. Next one, 4 rupees. Now again I will write here 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Now you are asked to take out the value of 4 rupees. So I will write here, so rupee sign and then I will write 4. Don't forget to put the rupee sign first and then write the digit 4. Then 4 into 100 paise. So 4 into 100 paise is how much? 400 paise. So 4 rupees has 400 paise. Again I am repeating here, 5 rupees, we have to take out the value of 5 rupees is converting into paise. We have to convert 5 rupees into paise. So 1 rupee has 100 paise. So 5 rupees will have 5 into 100 paise equal to 500 paise. Don't forget to put the rupee sign and paise sign. So this was one form of question. Now on the other side you can see I have written here it is also convert into paise, but there already rupees and paise both are given. So what you have to do, first you have to convert rupees into paise, and already which the paise is given in the question, you have to add it, nothing more than that. So till now we have learned that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise, 2 rupees equal to 200 paise, 3 rupees equal to 300 paise, likewise 4 rupees equal to 400 paise, 10 rupees equal to 1000 paise. So now in this form of question we are not going to write down any this type of explanation. We will directly write 5 rupees equal to 500 paise. Directly I will write 5 rupees equal to 500 paise, and in place of and, I will put the plus sign. And there it is written 70 paise. So I will write down 70 p. Okay. Now if you can verbally add, very good. If you cannot add, do the rough work. So 500 paise plus 70 paise means 570 paise. Those who cannot do verbally, what they will do? They will do the rough work. See, I have written here 500. Okay, and then 70 I am adding up. So it is becoming 570. Okay. Now next one, 2 rupees and 50 paise. So I told you 2 rupees means what? 2 rupees means 200 paise. Directly you will write down, no need to convert here. 2 rupees means 200 paise. In place of and, you are going to put plus sign. In place of and, you are going to put plus sign. Now 50 paise, you are going to add with this. So I am going to write here 50 paise. Now 250 paise. Okay. Next, 8 rupees and 10 paise. Now again you convert. 8 rupees means what? 8 rupees means 800 paise. So I am going to write here 800 paise. In place of and, I will put plus sign and 10 paise. Okay. So 800 plus 10 paise means what? See, this one also you can do rough work. I have not done rough work. 200 plus 50 paise equal to 250 plus. This is a 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number. According to the place value, you arrange it and add. Next one is 800 paise plus 10 paise. It will become 810 paise. So I hope you have understood. These are conversion of rupees into paise. If direct only rupees is coming, you have to show the process. And when rupees and paise together, if it is given, you already have learned to convert rupees into paise. So you are writing down the value and then you are adding with it the paise. So you will get the answer. And addition if you cannot do, you can do the rough work. No problem is there. Okay. Thank you, children.